So hi guys, I'm here again with another jerk chicken. So I'm going to tell you guys what I put in my jerk chicken. So I put garlic powder, onion powder, I put some lemon pepper inside, I have put some black pepper, some adobo, and this is the jerk seasoning I'm using. I also put some garlic sauce, and I put some blend up seasoning, and I give this a good mix, and I'm gonna leave it for 3 hours, and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. So this is how we're looking. So we're here making some Spanish rice today. I already put my onions to fry. I put my rice seasoning, and now I'm gonna add in my black beans. Oh, I'm gonna let the beans and the onions fry for a couple of seconds, and then I'm gonna add my rice in. So now I'm gonna add my rice in. And I'm gonna give this a good mix. Let the rice fry a little bit with the onion and the beans. So I add some adobo. I add adobo. I'm gonna add some onion powder. I'm gonna add some garlic powder. And I'm gonna add a 2-pack of sazon. If I need any more, I will add more. And I'm gonna also add my cilantro and parsley. So I'm gonna add the next pack of sazon inside. Sazon. I'll let it fry a little bit. Guys, you can cook your rice however you want, but this is my way of cooking my rice. I'm gonna let that fry like for a minute. I am gonna add hot water inside. So now I'm gonna add my hot water inside. That's much I'm gonna add. I'm gonna give it a mix. And I'm gonna let this boil, and I'm gonna come back in a couple of minutes and check it. So this is how I'm looking now with the rice. I'm gonna lower the heat low and let it just steam and cook. That's how we're looking.